You are going to love 2016 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, electronic stability control, fog lights, power windows, security system. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.